How to add auto captions in KineMaster from your phone. It's super simple, so let's dive right into it. Make sure your voice or audio is clear and well recorded, as that will affect the caption accuracy. Now all you have to do is click on your video on your timeline. Here, scroll down and you can see auto captions right here. Tap on it. Now tap on Get plugin. Here tap on English and tap on download. It may take some time to download it. Wait for a few minutes. Once it's installed, go back, tap on generate. Wait for a few minutes as it may take some time according to your internet connection, and it's completed. As you can see, the caption has been generated right here. Now you can adjust its duration like this. Now once it's adjusted, you can preview your video. Let us preview it. And that's it. You have just learned how to add auto captions to your videos in KineMaster. If this video helped, smash that like button, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss the next editing tutorial. Thank you for watching.